Every time a new camera or a new tech in general is released, almost every YouTuber makes a video talking about how great the device is, and if they do a comparison, they typically do a comparison between the very last generation. The problem is most of us consumers, we do not upgrade every single year because all these tech companies, they release a new version of the same product every single year. So unless you got a lot of money to waste or to burn, a lot of times we do not upgrade every single year. Or at least for me, I do not upgrade every single year, especially if I feel like the upgrade is not big enough. So the new Insta360 S6 was just released, and I see a lot of people comparing it to the X5. However, many of us still have the X4, and a lot of people are trying to figure out if this is now the time to upgrade. The X5 was awesome. It brought new features. It brought interchangeable lenses. It was great. However, for someone like me, I still didn't feel enough of a big difference for me to upgrade to the X5. And now the X6 is out. So what I want to try and answer for you guys today is it finally the time for you to upgrade from the X4 to the X6 if you have the X4 or if you have any of the previous cameras, more specifically the X4, because that's what I have. So first thing, let me take my glasses off. That way I feel like I can communicate with you guys better. But first thing is though, the hardware. I feel like the hardware is where you will see the biggest significant change, and that is with the X6. You get basically a full screen. You don't have buttons like you have on the X4. And then the X6 is also a bit wider and much shorter compared to the X4. The X4 is like long and narrow, whereas this one is short and girthy. That's what she said. But anyway, so I would say having a shorter, more compact camera like this is definitely more beneficial in many scenarios. For someone like me who travel a lot, or I use my camera for e-bikes, I do feel like this one has a better form factor for those type of things. Or if you're gonna mount it on your helmet, this one definitely has the better ergonomics as far as the camera itself. All right, I am recording with both cameras in 8K 30. You can see the sunset. It's beautiful. The bigger screen on the S6 is definitely an advantage. Once again, my X4 screen is damaged. And you can also notice, if you notice the lenses, the lens on the X6 is also much bigger than the X4. I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison video. That way you guys can get a good idea of how these two cameras look. I don't know what they look like right now because I haven't reviewed them, because once again my X4 screen is damaged. But this is what to expect in the evening shot in 8K. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna switch them to, oh no, there's no need to switch them to 5K, because usually 5K is better when you are in the evening in lower lights ish. So yeah, what do you guys think? Even though the X6 is definitely a higher quality camera than the X4, the biggest thing for me right now is the X6 is very expensive. I bought this camera off Amazon. I paid $700 for it. It's $699, but after tax, you're definitely around $730 or something like that. But it's definitely in the 700s. Whereas with the X4, if you already have the X4, is the difference big enough to warrant buying a whole new camera? Because how much could you realistically sell this for? Not a lot. You can find this camera brand new on Amazon for $300. So if you're trying to sell it in hopes that you can try and reduce how much you're gonna be paying for this, you're just not gonna get a lot for it. If you're gonna sell it, you're gonna have to sell it in the 200s or less, because why would a person pay $300 for this camera when they can buy it off Amazon for 300? Now you might have more batteries and more accessories, but those things, the price of those batteries also go down when the newer camera becomes available. So is now the time for you to upgrade from the X4 to the X5, to the X6? Man, this is a bit of a hard one, but personally I would say that no. During the daytime, I feel like the gap is not as big. At nighttime, it's a huge difference, because this one has pure video and this one does not have pure video. But during the daytime, where most people use Insta360 cameras, I just feel like, yes, it is better, but it's just not so significant that you should upgrade, because you're talking about $700. I just feel like for something that is not quite 1-inch sensor, $700 is just getting too much. And if we don't say nothing, if we just keep accepting it, very soon this camera is gonna be about $1,000, and it's gonna be too late by then. So I feel like if you're a person that mostly shoot action sports, you mostly shoot during the daytime, I personally don't feel like it's worth the upgrade. Now, if you're somebody that often, you're very, I say, a bit more reckless with your camera, or you're a bit more adventurous, then you might want to upgrade to the X5 instead of the X6, because the X5 has interchangeable lenses and the X4 does not have interchangeable lenses. My X4, I had a water damage and water got into it somehow, and it can still record, but the screen no longer turns on, and that is why it's not on. And that's also another reason why I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna upgrade to the X6. But if it wasn't for that, I would truly not upgrade. And in fact, I've already initiated a repair with Insta360 to see how much it will cost to get this fixed. If it's decent enough, if it's cheap enough, then I'm just gonna repair this and return this. But if it's like over $100, then yeah, I think it would be the time for me to upgrade, because of the form factor, the interchangeable lenses, and the bigger screen. And on top of that, the battery life also lasts longer than this one. Everything is in the favor of this camera except the price. And I just feel like if you already have this, personally, I'm not telling you what to do, but I feel like you should not upgrade to the X6 just yet. Or rather, just wait till this one goes on sale and try to catch it. I just feel like $700 is getting too much for this camera. Like, I just bought the Luna Ultra, $700, and now I'm about to pay for this. That's $1,400 in about a month or two. I personally don't feel like now is the time to upgrade just because of the price. What I recommend is getting the X5, because the X5 is not that big of a difference as far as image quality compared to the X6. The form factor is different, but the image quality is just not that big of a difference. So if you really need the night mode, just get you an X5. But then again, once again, if you like the form factor, of this, the higher image quality, then it may be a good time for you to upgrade. Now, once again, the evening or nighttime is where there's going to be the biggest difference, and right now it's already evening. It is 7 p.m. right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record the environment. It is a lower light compared to the bright sunny day that these cameras are best for. So this is where you might potentially see the biggest difference in image quality. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. I have more videos to come. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.